Do you use the bookmark function on X? You may have already seen our video on this topic on our channel. I will leave the link in the profile description for those who missed the video. If you've bookmarked a post and want to remove it from your bookmarks list, here's the solution. Open the X app on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then, find and open the Bookmarks section. Here, you will see all your saved posts. If you want to delete a specific post, find it and click on the Save icon again. This will remove the post. If you want to remove all bookmarked posts, deleting them one by one would take too much time. There is an easier way. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. A Clear All Bookmarks window will appear. Click on it. Then, you will get a notification in a new window saying that deleted posts cannot be recovered. If you still want to remove the saved posts, click on Clear. And your bookmarks will be empty again. That's all for this tutorial. If you want to regularly follow our content and be notified of new tutorials, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell icon.